What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, which means there's no way for you guys to keep randomly talking to these fake King Hustle pages, all right? All you gotta do is just click the link and then direct you to my real IG. King Hustle X1M and my official backup, the real King Hustle X1M. The first two links in my bio, all right? And before you send your money to any of these fake King Hustle pages, or you're not sure if it's me or not, just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money so you won't be scammed, all right? So be more aware out there. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get started. So today, I'm about to drop some more gems. I'm about to drop some more information for you guys. Anybody out there that's been paying rent and you want to you need a way that boosts your credit, I'm going to show you how to do that, all right? Today, I'm going to show you a place where you can go to add your credit, your rent. You paying rent every month can be added to your credit and it can boost it up to 100 points in 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks. I got the hack for you. I got the sauce for you. Credit hack. It's your boy King Hustle. So today we're going to be talking about credit rent boost. And this website will literally allow you to sign up with them. They got 3 different plans, and the last one is the past rent and the ongoing rent. And you report both of them, you'll get 100 points boosted onto your credit in 2 weeks. So today we're going to be talking about credit boost. And like I said, anybody out there who's legitimately been paying rent for the however long. So if you've been past 2 years or more and you've been paying rent and you're trying to build your credit, you need 100 points boosted on your credit in 2 weeks. This is where you need to go. This is a place where you need to sign up because it's not even expensive. It's not one of these places where you gotta go spend thousands and hundreds of dollars just to sign up and get. No, it's none of that. All you need to do is have your ID, connect with your previous landlord and your current landlord, get the information that you need, and in 2 weeks you get up to 100 points added to your credit score. So without further ado, let's check the website out. Let me show you where to go. Let's run it down through it, and then let's talk about it. All right, it's your boy King Hustle. Let's get to it. All right, so today we're going to talk about Credit Rent Boost. All right, the website is creditrentboost.com. Once you go there, this will be what you'll see. So they got the ongoing rent reporting, they got the past rent reporting, and they got the past and ongoing rent reporting. All right, so basically, complete the enrollment process and submit your ID. We verify your landlord and your rent payments. Your new account is reported to TransUnion Equifax. View your new credit score in as little as 2 weeks. All right, easy steps. And these are little testimonies. And it says right here, 950 Credit LLC, Credit Rent Boost.com works directly with the tenants and the landlords to report the tenants' monthly rent boost and TransUnion and Equifax to boost credit scores. Most property management companies and landlords are unable to offer this service due to the reporting guidelines and the strict vetting process for the reporter. We're here to make the process easier and possible with our rent reporting services and free rental services checks. Whoa. For all names on the lease agreement. Therefore, roommates and spouses can also receive credit for their payments and can increase their credit score fast. They're also able to establish credit for past 2 years of rental payments and report the last 24 months of your rental history to your credit report. This is the ultimate benefit. As a result, studies have shown the longer in trade line reports, the stronger it affects your score. All right. So let's check out what they offer. So we're going to the ongoing rent reporting. And for one renter, so if it's just you, as little as $4.08 a month. Score increases over time. Account shows in at least 2 weeks. Reporting from today forward. And then it says 12 months of reporting. $49 annual payment. or you could pay $6.95 a month. So you got two options. $50 a year, not bad. Here are the requirements. Your ID, your lease, not required, but speeds up things. If you rent from an individual or owner, their photo ID, or they can answer 5 quick identity verification questions over the phone. We will then reach out to them to verify your rent payments. If you are rent from a management company or apartment complex, you would need to then verify your rent payments. All right. So we're gonna go back. This is for the past rent. If you just want to report the past rent, if you're not on the lease right now, but you was last year or the year before that, or you're past rent, it's gonna be as low as $2.71 a month. Average score increases to 20 to 60 points. Results in less than 60 in 2 weeks up to the last 2 years of history. And it's the same thing. They need the same thing. And like I said, it's gonna be for the past 12 months. It's gonna be $49 a one-time payment, and then $65 one-time payment past 24 months. So you want to do the past 12 months, year, it's going to be $50. You want to do the past 24 months, it's going to be $65. All right. So boom, that's for the previous. If you want to do both, it's going to be as low as $3.17 a month. Average score increase of 30 to 100 points. Results less than 2 weeks up to 2 years of history, and then past 12 months of ongoing, it's gonna be one-time payment of basically $100. And then if you want to do it past 24 months, it's gonna be $114 one-time payment. And then with this one, you need your photo ID, your lease, not required, but speeds things up. Their photo ID, or they can answer 5 quick identity. You know, the same process. All right. And then when you go to it, you can go to these right here. Renters, you go to landlords. For the landlords. And so creditrentboost.com. Go check them out. Go add your ongoing, your past, or your past and ongoing rent reporting, and get that credit boost. TransUnion, Equifax. Pretty good website. I use it for sure. I use every trade line that I can get to all of them, whatever I got going on, help people grow. So let's talk about it. Here's the website for you guys again, creditrentboost.com. So let's talk about it, creditrentboost.com. Is it somewhere you can get your credit repaired? Is it somewhere that'll help you get credit added to your report? Yes. And it's not a repair company, but it'll help you. It's like a trade line. So anybody out there who's in the past 2 years been paying rent and you need to add a trade line, you want some quick points, up to 100 points, check out creditboost.com right now. I just gave you the website. I just showed you, I broke down what they all looking for, how the process goes. And I know it's a lot of people out there that, okay, let me tell you a quick little trick, all right? So if you're 18, 19, 20, and you have not been on a lease or anything, you've been paying for, let's say, a private owner, right? So let's just say your mom, your dad, your granny is your private owner, and you've been paying rent at that house for your room. So you can use them as the renter, or that's renting out the house or that room for you, and say you've been paying rent, and you can use them. Use somebody that's been living in apartments for the past couple years. Go to this site right now. Sign up. Spend that little $114. Once you spend that $114, you already set for the year. Boom. So you ain't got to worry about them to 2014, 2024. 2014, what I'm talking about. 2024. Now that's going to be reporting for a whole year. Boom. your credit finna start going up. Now you finna be able to get bigger, better apartments and bigger loans and things like that. So the goal is when you're doing credit and you're trying to get these cars and apartments and loans and credit cards and things, it's about how much debt to income. How much debt do you have on your credit? How much income are you making? So if you have $100,000 in debt on your credit profile and you're making exceptional payments every month, you're going to get approved for some loans for $50,000, $60,000. You're going to get approved for that type of stuff. If you have $60,000 in debt and you're late and not making payments on anything on your credit and it's reporting to your credit profile, you're not going to get them type of loans. But there's some places out there that go by signature loans or bank statement loans or pay stub loans and things like that, which you can sometimes bypass that. But that's why I tell you guys all the time, whenever I'm telling you to get about these bad credit, second chance, signature loans, you have to make sure you have your business in order. What I mean by having your business in order, you got to make sure you got a bank account, checkings and savings. You got to make sure you got bank statements, pay stubs. I showed you guys if you're self-employed where to go to get the ADP and self payroll provider so you can generate your own. I showed you the website where to go to start making your own pay stubs, W-2s and 1099 forms if you're self-employed. I showed you guys all these things. They're not going to give you a loan for free. They're just not going to be like, oh, here you go. Here's $5,000 second chance loan. We see that you got bad credit. Oh, we know you can't pay it back, but we're just going to take a chance. Like, no, I don't care what you got to do, but long as you make that credit profile look good enough, they will give you that loan. It's up to you to use that loan wisely, or up to you to use that loan on the wrong things and not pay it back, and then your credit goes right back down into the dirt. And you owe $20,000 on a $5,000 loan, or you owe $50,000 on a $20,000, $30,000 loan. So it's all up to you how you move and how you groove and how you do with these loans, right? So creditrentboost.com. You've been paying rent for the last 2 years. You 18, 19, 20, well 19, 20, 21, because you got to think about it. If you 18, how you going to be paying rent when you was a year ago when you was 17? It's impossible. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 19 and up, go handle your business. Go tap in with them. Go get some points added to your credit and start winning in life. It's your boy, King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping these videos. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. Y'all motivate me to keep just giving y'all information, because without y'all, y'all never know what I'd be doing. So I really appreciate y'all. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep dropping these videos. We're going to keep dropping this sauce. I'm still looking for people for the production company, Hussle Nation. I'm still looking for rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, cameraman. If you're a cameraman out there, you good with that editing, you got you a good camera, 4K, 6K, 8K, red camera or better, tap in with me. Preferably Houston, Texas. If you're in Houston, tap in with me. But in all surrounding areas you can travel, that's cool too. I'm looking for models. If you a beautiful young lady out there and you tired of looking beautiful for free, you tired of making them twerk videos for free, you tired of taking them model pictures for free and not getting no money off of it, you tired of doing these social media videos and really not taking off, you tired of buying views, you tired of doing all that, you ready to make it make sense, tap in with me. I'm going to put you in all the positions that you need to do to win. All you got to do is listen. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed, point blank, period. I don't deal with bad attitudes. Just listen sometimes, because I'm going to make sure you get put in the right position, because as long as you make money, I make money, and we make money. So let's just make it make sense. I'm looking for content creators out there. If you got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube and 2,000 watch time hours, you looking to start making money on YouTube, tap in with me. I'm going to show you the gems. I'm going to show you the sauce. I'm going to show you the science. I'm going to show you how to start getting paid. If you're a rapper out there, music reviews is $200. You're not willing to invest in yourself, why should I invest in you? You're not willing to invest $200 in you, why should I invest $200,000 in you? Think about that. So before y'all send me y'all music, before y'all send me y'all links, please be payment ready, $200, cash app, and we can get the ball going. That just shows me how much you believe in yourself, because you never know what can happen. So make sure y'all tap in. It's your boy, King Hussle. I'm still doing limit gems for $500. So if you got $500, tap in, cash app, or Walmart payment. No other payment. Make sure that $500 is on your cash app balance. If it's not, it will not be able to send it. So please have your money ready. Know what y'all want. Please stop asking for handouts in my inbox, and we gonna all win together. It's your boy, King Hussle. Tap in with me. Oh yeah, book your seat right now in the crypto tour in person. unlimited gyms lessons, plus more cybersecurity and all that good stuff like that. $3,500 in state, $4,500 out of state. So if I got to come to you, it's $4,500. But you got to come to me, it's gonna be $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money in person. Y'all know how I get down. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.